We're back at Hellfest. Did we ever really leave? I don't think so. But this is Nightwish. This is Noise. I love this song. The studio version of the song is unreal. But now I'm going to hear it at the Woodstock of our time. Before I get going, be sure to subscribe. It helps me out so much. Let's go. That is a hell of a way to open up a show. Hold on, Floor. Just hold on. I have goosebumps on top of my goosebumps. Just what I think I'm gonna do is with Nightwish, like I guess in the next few weeks, I suppose, I am gonna switch back and forth between this and probably the Buenos Aires concert because it's just they are a live band. They are hands down one of the best bands I've seen live. Not in person because I missed the Toronto show. Still pissed at myself for that. But from what I've seen, like it goes like back as far as from Wishes to Eternity to this. Hands down. I don't even know if it's up for dispute. You probably have a live band you like or a band you like live more, but they are the best, one of the best bands I've seen live. So I think going forward, for at least for the next few weeks, I'm gonna go back and forth between this and Buenos Aires.
Please love me, see how I bleed, please ensure I have such empathy in you. Hum noise, hum beautiful enough, tap into a choir, there do have a reading. Fire carry on, sad hologram, lost in the days, feeling you feel. Sunset is free from this deity, the earth has a real voice, go out to the gas in. What's my Hellfest? Carry on and the crowds will gather.
No, go back more. What was that? Was that Yuka's bass doing that? I thought somebody was singing quietly into the mic. That was his bass. That whole part is just it shows the genius of not only Tumis, of the band. I know he probably wrote that, but just how well that part is executed gives me chills. I feel so bad for him. He looks like he's struggling. Somebody told me it was his birthday the day before the show. I don't know if it was actually for this or for the Buenos Aires concert. But he looks like he is very warm already. 5 minutes into the show. Wow. Nope. The thing, I will always say this. I love seeing Tumis happy and getting into it and smiling. That just fills me with an unparalleled joy. But what I really like seeing now is I love seeing Yuka get into it. Because in the Live in a Virtual World show they did during the state the world was in for like the last 2 or 3 years, garbage. He got into it a little bit, but I think he was still like new to the band. I think seeing the evolution of that to this, him actually getting into it and like headbanging and stuff, I don't know, I love seeing it. Poor Impu though. He already looked burnt. He looked like he was having a rough go of it. I don't know, maybe he wasn't. And yeah, like I can't remember if it was birthday the day before the Buenos Aires show or this show. You did tell me, and I'm so sorry I forgot. But that was nice. Executed perfectly. But for now, that's it. That's all. I'm going to flip-flop some days. Flip-flop between this and the Buenos Aires show. Thanks for watching. I will see you again very, very soon. Later.